5.2 C question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solutions graphically. Firstly, you have to check that the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If they are coming inconsistent, you will stop there, no need to solve further. If it is coming consistent, you have to obtain the solution graphically. See carefully first part, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. These are the pairs of linear equation. So firstly you will check they are consistent or not. So you will write the ratio, a1 will come 1, b1 will come 1, c1 will come minus 5. Now you know now how to do this. Coefficient of x will be a1, coefficient of y will be b1 and constant term will be c1. Then a2 will come 2, b2 will also come 2 and c2 will come minus 10. Because when you will write in the standard form, 10 will go that side, it will become minus 10, 5 will go that side, it will become minus 5. Now you will compare the ratio, a1 over a2 will come 1 by 2, b1 over b2 will come 1 by 2 and c1 over c2, because they are coming equal, you have to take c1 over c2 also. It is coming minus 5 or minus 10. When you will solve this also 1 by 2. So a1 over a2 is coming equal to b1 over b2 is coming equal to c1 over c2. That means it is consistent. Already in one of my video I told you na that if three of them are coming equal, that means they are consistent and they have infinitely many solutions. Now they are saying that you have to solve graphically. You have to solve graphically. So you have to solve it graphically. So firstly you have to make table for this. For that you can write y is equal to minus x plus 5. Y will remain here and x will go that side. It is positive, it will become minus. Here minus 5 is there, it is negative, it will become plus 5 when it will go that side. You will form the table. X value you will give firstly 0, y will come 5, minus 0 plus 5, that is 5. Then x value you will give 5, y value will come 0. X value you can give 10, so minus 10 plus 5, y value will come minus 5. So this graph you will plot, x is 0, y is 5, 1 point will come here. Then x is 5, y is 0, 1 point will come here. Then x is 10, y is minus 5, 1 point will come here. So you will get a graph like this. You have to do on the graph paper, it will be more clear, and the line you can draw with a scale. Now second equation also you will write 2y is equal to 10 will go that side, it will become minus 10 will go that side, it will become plus 10. Then 2x, it will become minus 2x. Similarly you will solve 10 minus 2x you will write, then y will come upon 2, 10 minus 2x over 2. Separately you will write 10 over 2 minus, you will get 5 minus x. So this is the equation for the second. You see same only, it is minus x plus 5, this is 5 minus x, same thing only. So it's that means its table can also be same only, no need to calculate again, you can write a table same only. Now table same, that means graph will also come same. So like this you can represent two lines to represent two graphs of the linear equation, pair of linear equation. Now all the points which are lying, these, this, all the points which are lying on the line, they are the solution for these. So there are, firstly you will write they are consistent, answer is consistent, and solutions are infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Now see second part, x minus y is equal to 8, 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. Again you will compare the ratios, nothing is there, that means 1 over 3. Now minus 1 over minus 3, then this will go that side, minus 8, it will become minus 16. So minus 8 over minus 16. Now minus minus cancel, 1 by 3 is coming equal to 1 by 3, but it is not coming equal to 1 by 2. So a1 over a2 is coming equal to b1 over b2, but not equal to c1 over c2. So this is the case of the parallel line. This is the case of parallel line. That means it is inconsistent. It is inconsistent and you can't find it. No solution is there. They are saying if consistent, then only you have to solve graphically. So this you have to leave here answer. Now you see third part, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Again you will find the ratios. Now I think you are able to do how to find the ratios. Now half is there here, minus 1 by half is there. This minus means it will come here. They are not equal. And this is also not equal. So a1 over a2 not coming equal to b1 over b2 means there is a unique solution and consistent. This is its answer, consistent. Now you have to find its solution graphically. So firstly you will make table for this line. Y will come 6 minus 2x. Y will come 6 minus 2x. You have to make the table. Different values of x you will take and you will get different values of y. X is suppose 0. 6 minus 2 into 0. So 6 minus 0, y will come 6. Suppose x you are taking 2. 6 minus 2 into 2. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then suppose x you are taking 3. So 6 minus 2 into 3 means 6 minus 6, that is 0. So this is the graph. Second equation, this is the table. Now second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So minus 2y will be equal to 4 minus 4x. Y will be equal to 4 minus 4x over minus 2. Separately you will write 4 over minus 2 minus 2. Then minus 4x over minus 2, that will come 2x. So y will be equal to 2x minus 2. This is the equation table. X different values you give and y value you find. X is, suppose you have given x value 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 2 minus 2. Then x value you will give 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then suppose you are giving x value 5. So y is equal to 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Any other value also you can do. You can take any other value also. Now you have to plot the graph. Graph you have to plot on the graph paper. I am telling you roughly how to do. For first table, x is 0, y is 6. So here approximate here value will come. Then x is 2. 2 will come here. In the graph it will be clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines will be there. So second line you have to take. X is 2, y is also 2. So approximate here. X is 3, y is 0. So here it will come. Like this you can draw a line, straight line with the help of scale. Then for here you can write also y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now for this x is 0, y is minus 2. So here it will come. Then x is 1, x is 1, y is 0. So here it will come. X is 1, y is 0. Then x is 5 and y is 8. X is 5, y is 8. So approximate here it will come. Then again with the help of scale you will join. With the help of scale you will join. You will see they will intersect at x2 and y2. They will intersect at 2, 2. That means x will come 2 and y will come 2. So unique solution is their answer. It is consistent and x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. See fourth part, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Again you will compare the ratios. This is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2, but it is 2 by 5. So this is not equal, but these two are equal. So A1 over A2 coming equal to B1 over B2 not coming equal to C1 over C2, means lines are parallel. So answer will be inconsistent. Now inconsistent came means no need to solve further. Thank you and have a nice day.